Welcome to Bestsellers Market, where we bring you the latest and greatest in top-tier products. Today we're diving into an exhilarating countdown of the best-selling wide format and plotter printers on Amazon. From the sleek and sophisticated to the rugged and reliable, we've got an impressive lineup that promises to elevate your printing game. Whether you're a professional needing precision or a creative soul seeking vibrant prints, this countdown is your guide to finding the ultimate printer that fits your needs. Without further ado, let's jump into the countdown and discover the best of the best. Introducing the HP DesignJet T210, a true titan in the realm of large format printing, where precision meets performance. This powerhouse, crafted for the meticulous needs of architects, engineers, and construction professionals, excels in delivering technical line drawings, stunning renders, and detailed posters with impeccable accuracy. With its ability to handle media up to 24 inches wide and sheets up to 13 by 19 inches, this printer is versatile enough for any project that demands sharp, crisp text and intricate details. Say goodbye to manual media switching. Thanks to its automatic sheet roll switch, you can print seamlessly across various formats with ease. The HP DesignJet T210's automatic horizontal cutter and media bin ensure that your workflow remains uninterrupted and efficient. Experience unparalleled convenience with HP Click, the world's simplest job submission tool. Imagine printing multiple files with just a single click. Plus, with the HP Smart app, your large format printing is literally at your fingertips, whether you're on your smartphone, tablet, or desktop computer. Connectivity is a breeze with options including Gigabit Ethernet, high-speed USB 2.0, and Wi-Fi 802.11b/G/N, allowing you to integrate effortlessly into any office setup. And with print speeds that reach up to 30 seconds per page on A1/D size and an impressive 76 A1/D size prints per hour, you're always ahead of the game. Designed with simplicity and cost effectiveness in mind, the HP DesignJet T210 offers an affordable solution without sacrificing performance. It utilizes 95% less ink for routine maintenance compared to competitors, ensuring significant savings on ink while maintaining top-notch quality. The software suite is designed to enhance your productivity. From HP Click's intuitive job submittal and poster creation tools to HP Print Preview and HP Easy Start, every aspect of your printing experience is streamlined. And let's not forget the support. 1-year limited hardware warranty and access to friendly experts ready to assist with any setup or support questions. For exceptional quality, efficiency, and ease, the HP DesignJet T210 is the ultimate choice in large format printing. At number 4, we present the HP DesignJet T650, an exceptional 36-inch large format plotter printer that marries precision with reliability. Tailored for architects, engineers, and construction professionals, this marvel shines with its ability to produce technical line drawings, intricate renders, and striking posters with unparalleled clarity. The HP DesignJet T650 stands out not only for its performance, but also for its outstanding support package. It includes a comprehensive 2-year warranty care pack, ensuring that your printer receives the care it deserves. From on-site and remote support to next business day service with 100% genuine HP parts, you're covered, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, your work. With a capacity to handle media rolls up to 36 inches wide and sheets as large as 13 by 19 inches, the T650 adapts effortlessly to any project. It features an automatic sheet/roll switch, media bin, and an automatic horizontal cutter, streamlining your workflow and minimizing manual intervention. Efficiency is at the heart of the T650's design. Print multi-size projects without the hassle of changing media sources manually. Experience significant cost savings with its innovative technology that uses 95% less ink for routine maintenance compared to other plotters. This printer delivers high-quality results while keeping operational costs low. Equipped with HP Click software for easy poster creation and the HP Smart app for managing prints from your smartphone, tablet, or desktop, the T650 makes large format printing remarkably simple. With print speeds of up to 25 seconds per page on A1/D size and a capacity of 82 A1/D size prints per hour, you'll be able to handle demanding projects with ease. Connectivity options abound with gigabit Ethernet, high-speed USB 2.0, and Wi-Fi 802.11, ensuring seamless integration into your office environment. For impeccable quality and effortless operation, the HP DesignJet T650 is your go-to solution for large format printing excellence. At number 3, we unveil the Canon imagePROGRAF Pro 300, a powerhouse in the realm of wide format printing, where precision meets artistry. This printer isn't just a tool, it's an extension of your creative vision, designed to transform your images into breathtaking works of art. The Pro 300 delivers unparalleled professional image quality with its 9-color plus chroma optimizer ink system. This sophisticated setup meets the high demands of both advanced amateurs and seasoned professionals, ensuring every print is rich in detail and vibrant in color. With a compact footprint, the Pro 300 is engineered to fit seamlessly into any workspace, without sacrificing productivity. Its advanced features, like the nozzle recovery system and skew correction, ensure that you spend less time troubleshooting and more time creating. A 3.0-inch color LCD monitor provides you with instant access to ink levels, printer status, and settings, making it effortless to keep track of your print jobs and maintain optimal performance. Connectivity is a breeze with built-in Wi-Fi, allowing you to print wirelessly from your mobile devices or computer, enhancing your workflow and flexibility. Whether you're working on fine art prints or high-quality photo projects, the Canon imagePROGRAF Pro 300 stands ready to deliver exceptional results with every print. It's not just about printing, it's about achieving excellence with every detail, every time. Loving the countdown of the best-selling wide format and plotter printers on Amazon? Don't let this opportunity print itself out. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you're always on top of the latest and greatest in printing technology. At number 2, we present the HP DesignJet T210, a 24-inch large format plotter printer that perfectly blends sleek modern design with cutting-edge functionality. Designed for professionals who demand precision and versatility, the T210 is an ideal choice for architects, engineers, and construction specialists who require impeccable line quality and crisp text for technical drawings, renders, posters, maps, and even professional sewing patterns. With the ability to handle media up to 24 inches wide and sheets as large as 13 by 19 inches, the T210 adapts to your printing needs with ease. It features seamless media handling with sheet feed, roll feed, and an automatic horizontal cutter, ensuring that your workflow remains smooth and efficient. This printer excels not only in performance but in cost effectiveness. It automates the printing of multi-size projects without the hassle of manual media switching. Plus, it uses 95% less ink for routine maintenance compared to its competitors, offering significant savings while maintaining top quality prints. The HP DesignJet T210 comes equipped with HP Click software for creating visually stunning posters, the HP Smart app for easy management from your smartphone, tablet, or desktop, and HP Print Preview for Windows, among other tools. This array of software enhances your productivity and streamlines your printing process. Connectivity is effortless with gigabit Ethernet, high-speed USB 2.0, and Wi-Fi 802.11b/g/n, allowing you to integrate seamlessly into your office environment. With print speeds of up to 45 seconds per page on A1/D size, and a capacity of 59 A1/D size prints per hour, you'll be able to tackle even the most demanding projects with confidence. Supported by a 1-year limited hardware warranty and backed by a team of friendly large format printing experts, the HP DesignJet T210 is not just a printer, it's your partner in achieving professional excellence. At number 1, we present the HP DesignJet T210, a 24-inch color plotter printer that epitomizes versatility, reliability, and cutting-edge technology. This printer is a game-changer for architects, engineers, and construction professionals who demand precision and efficiency in their wide-format prints. The T210 is designed to handle a broad range of projects, from technical line drawings and blueprints to vibrant posters, indoor signage, and detailed maps. With the ability to manage media rolls up to 24 inches wide and sheets up to 13 by 19 inches, it adapts effortlessly to your diverse printing needs. The optional automatic sheet feeder accessory further expands its versatility. What sets the HP DesignJet T210 apart is its remarkable combination of simplicity and cost-effectiveness. It automates multi-size projects, eliminating the need for manual media switching. And with its innovative design, it uses 95% less ink for routine maintenance compared to competitors, making it not only efficient but also economical. Included with the T210 is a 2-year warranty care pack, offering comprehensive support. From on-site and remote assistance to next business day service with 100% genuine HP parts, you're assured of swift and reliable help whenever needed. The T210 is also equipped with HP Click software for creating stunning posters, the HP Smart app for remote management from your smartphone, tablet, or desktop, and HP Print Preview for Windows, among other tools. These features make large format printing as seamless and straightforward as possible. Connectivity is robust with Gigabit Ethernet, high-speed USB 2.0, and Wi-Fi 802.11, ensuring smooth integration into any office setup. With print speeds of up to 45 seconds per page on A1/D size and the ability to produce 59 A1/D size prints per hour, the T210 is designed to keep pace with your busiest workdays. For an unbeatable combination of performance, ease of use, and extensive support, the HP DesignJet T210 stands at the pinnacle of large format printing excellence. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling wide format and plotter printers on Amazon. To keep up with all the latest bestsellers, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the top products we featured today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.